In this video, I'll guide you through how to pass an Indeed assessment by making your profile work for you. We're going to focus on a simple but often overlooked step, updating your qualifications so employers can clearly see why you're a strong candidate before they even look at your test results. Let's start from your main Indeed dashboard. This is the first screen you see when you sign in, where you might normally check your messages, job recommendations, or recent applications. Instead of jumping straight into job searching or taking assessments, pause for a moment and head to your account settings. Look for the option labeled Account or Settings, usually found at the top right of the screen. Click on that, and from there choose Profile. Your profile is where Indeed collects everything an employer might want to know about you at a glance: your work history, skills, education, and any assessments you've completed. Think of it as your online resume plus a bit more context. Before you worry about the actual test questions in an assessment, it's important that this space is as strong and complete as possible. Once you're on your profile page, look for a section called Qualifications. Depending on your account layout, this might be grouped with your skills, certifications, or other professional details. This is where you can add information that makes you look more credible and prepared in the eyes of an employer who's reviewing your assessment results. Go ahead and open the qualifications section. Here, start by adding any relevant certifications you hold, such as industry-specific licenses, software credentials, or training courses you've completed. Try to focus on qualifications that match the types of roles you're applying for or the assessments you're about to take. For example, if you're taking an assessment related to customer service, highlight any experience or training that shows you've worked directly with customers or handled difficult situations professionally. Next, include any formal education that's important for your field, such as degrees, diplomas, or specialized programs. Make sure the details are accurate and up to date. Employers often scan this section quickly, so clear titles and correct dates can help things stand out and look more professional. You should also add skills that align closely with the assessment topics. If the assessment is about data entry, time management, or technical software, make sure those skills are clearly listed. This way, when an employer sees that you did well on a particular assessment, your profile immediately backs it up with concrete qualifications and related experience. Take a moment to review what you've added and remove anything outdated or unrelated to the jobs you're targeting. Quality is more important than quantity here. A focused list of strong, relevant qualifications is more powerful than a long, scattered list that doesn't clearly support the type of roles you want. When you're done, save your changes and give your profile a quick overall review. Updated qualifications won't change your actual assessment score, but they significantly improve how employers interpret those scores. A strong profile tells a clear story. Not only did you complete the assessment, but you also have the background, skills, and training to succeed in the role. That's all there is to it. By going from your dashboard into your account, opening your profile, and carefully updating your qualifications, you give yourself a better chance of standing out and making your Indeed assessments work in your favor.